Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this 2020 BMW X1 18D M Sport. This car comes with the 2-litre diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez Compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 52 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 24 and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 43,000 miles and comes with full service history with BMW. This stunning colour is called Storm Bay, which I think is one of my best colours in the BMW range, and as you can see is in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we look inside on the M Sport, you've got the really nice supportive leather seats there, which are also heated in the front, and also you have the leather steering wheel there, which is really nice to hold. You've got the M Sport logo down there at the bottom. A few other features I can mention to you: the car comes with the large multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has climate control as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you've got your controls for electric folding mirrors and for window controls. Being an SUV, nice and practical for the family, so a good wide door opening there, lots of headroom and legroom, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. There's also 2 air vents for the rear passengers and 2 USB ports as well. And it's good to see the car's still got the original BMW carpet floor mats as well. As we open the tailgate, which is electric, you have the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf is still in place. And the first owner chose a space saver spare wheel, so that's nice to see. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance, which is 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.